back in.
What?
You gotta like get out and say, all right, time to get.
Don't play. I don't know. Brand told me to get out again and say it's time to get to work.
Hopefully, it's just part of the bumper.
You pop the hood. There should be a little thingy in there. There. See? We can still save the grill. It's still a little bit of protection.
Alright, let's show.
It protects our coolers. Yeah. Let's pull all... We should unhook all of this. We should take the light bar off if we get this thing running. Like,
Yeah.
this... I don't like
This
this.
is what not to do.
Yeah. Wait, we have two... Wait a minute. What was this for? Is this for the light bar?
Yeah. It melted. See?
Nah. The battery still probably has some juice, I bet. Hey guys, it's Cullen and Brandon here with Up North Outdoors. In the last video, I guess, unburied the Jeep from, like, buried in a snowbank, dug it all out, got it drug out, and now, as you guys just saw in the beginning here, we just went through a process of getting it in the shed here. We definitely may or may not have messed up the fender a little bit. I don't know. I'm pretty sure it was already like that. Yeah. And the bumper, which is going to be coming off, we kind of messed that up too. So the issue with this Jeep that we're working on fixing right now is...
That sounds weird.
Yeah, man, shut it off.
What is this?
So the issue we were having with this Jeep was we jumped over the car. We did that crazy off-road video that none of you guys watched with it, which I don't know why. So screw you guys on that one.
Yeah, take a look at it. We'll put it in the description.
Yeah.
Good video.
Yeah. you can see what happened to this Jeep. But basically, we parked it where it was, shut it off. It was still running fine, and then we went to start it up again, and it was like no electronics. We were getting no power at all. So I'm pretty sure we either like lost a ground connection somewhere, or the battery is shot. I'm guessing we might have just wrecked the battery from jumping it. So we're gonna hook it up to the battery charger here and see if we can get power on the inside to see if it's the battery that's the problem or if it's something else. Okay, so pretty sure this battery just shot. It's a battery from 2016 and we jumped it and stuff. So we're just gonna throw it on start and see if the motor will crank over. You wanna try cranking it? All right, stop. So it clicks now. It's still completely dead, but that means it's getting power, right? Yeah. Dash light's coming on? Okay, yeah. We need a new battery then. Alrighty, so we stole a battery from the Fummins. It's a little bit big for the engine bay, but we're gonna see if she won't crank over. I have a feeling it's gonna start, so I'm gonna open this door just so I can get airflow. That's how optimistic I am. All right, crank her. Hey! Nice.
All right, do a new video after.
Let's shut her down. Nice.
That was easy. Well,
So yeah, it was literally just a battery problem. Well, that was surprising.
yeah.
We kind of figured it was going to be a process.
Yeah, I thought we were gonna be in here for hours.
Yeah, me too. But it fired up right away when we got a new battery on it. So we bought some spark plugs and stuff for it, which I don't even think we need to do because I think it fired up like a dream. But what we are going to do is rip all this useless wiring out of here.
Yeah.
Take this useless light
Find
bar
some
off.
clippers and I'll do the light bar.
Okay.
If you want to do flares.
Yeah, okay. Brandon's gonna work on taking the light bar off then. Just useless eBay one that's full of water and doesn't work. And ripping these wires out, and I'm gonna pop these fender flares off because one of you guys commented and said that we should just cut the fenders to clear bigger tires. And one of you guys said cut the fenders and run 37s, which we could, but I think I would rather. It can clear 35s right now. I think I'd rather cut the fenders and then run 35s and have more suspension travel. So we might end up doing that depending on how the fenders look when we pull the flares off. I mean, I know this front one is not going to look good now.
It doesn't need to look the best.
But
it's
no.
just an off-road rig.
Yeah, it's just an off-road rig, so it's like, it doesn't really matter.
Oh great, they're nailed in. Those look nailed in. Look at that.
Oh, someone, yeah, that's nice.
Yeah.
Someone nailed this in. Sweet, dude. Sick.
You know, I bet that's factory, right?
No.
Are these not?
No, I don't think these plastic side. I don't think these are like rock bumpers, you know, like armor. That's not factory. Because the flares aren't factory either.
I know these aren't.
No, I think they just put. I did not mean to do that.
Well, what, you just need a crowbar now. Good. I think you can.
Yeah. All right. Well, let's see. Here's the before. Here's the before. We got ugly bumper on there, ugly light bar, fender flares that stick out way too far that we don't need. Yeah. And now me and Brandon are gonna put some work into it, and we'll show you the after. That's good. That's good right there. We got the body armor off, the fender flares off, the light bar off, all that, the crappy winch off of it. We're still gonna need to pull the bumper off. Yeah, and basically the doors and the fenders are all completely rust free. So, but they just decided, whoever had this Jeep before decided to put holes, rivet holes and screws all over in the rust free fenders and doors. So that's cool. That's really cool. Huh? We need bigger tires to actually show it. Yeah. But yeah. Well, I just spent the last half hour trying to get the 4Runner unburied in our driveway. About 2 foot deep ruts there. Just trying to get it out. This is a really bad idea.
Saw this old ride listed for sale, 10 years old and it looked like hell. All my friends said don't, I replied oh Lord. It's an F-150 on bed full. It stores my tools, can haul a load, but it drinks up gas and now I'm broke. I jacked it up, put on lifted off-road tires with B-locks on it. It's got a little attitude, ain't it grand? It does the mud as well as the sand, it defines me who I am. It's more than practical, it's a statement if you ever think I'll sell it, good luck. American made, and it's my truck. Before I was just another guy, look at me now, I'm way up high. Might look like I have it just for show, cause it'll dust up any dirt road. I jacked it up, put on lifted off-road tires with B-locks on it. It's got a little attitude, ain't it grand? It does the mud as well as the sand. It defines me who I am. It's more than practical, it's a statement if you ever think I'll sell it, good luck. American made, and it's my truck. Up gas and now I'm broke. Well, I jacked it up, put on lifted off-road tires with B-locks on it. It's got a little